Okay, guys, so this is a little news flash for you guys. I will start doing vlogs on this channel and how-to videos and life hacks and FNAF gameplays. So yeah, we are gonna be prank calling Skylar, my friend. So, see, Skylar. Actually, I'm gonna give y'all his number. So, Felissa, you're watching this? His number is 504-320-3853. So, what's called? It's ringing. Oh, he answered. Hey. It's LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. It's me, LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. Okay, bye-bye. He literally had no reaction. He was like, what? Alright, so that was me prank calling Skylar's. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.